What happens to your muscles after you turn 30? You might still look the same in the mirror, you might still feel strong, but underneath the skin, your muscles can slowly start changing. Muscle tissue becomes harder to maintain, recovery can become different, and over the years, strength and muscle mass can gradually decline. And the strange part? You may not notice it happening at first. So what exactly is happening inside your muscles after 30? Let's go inside the body. Your muscles are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. Every day, your body repairs damaged muscle proteins and creates new ones. When muscle protein building keeps up with muscle breakdown, your muscle tissue can stay relatively stable. But as you age, that balance can gradually shift. NIH reports that muscle loss can begin around age 30, with roughly 3 to 5% of muscle mass lost per decade on average. That doesn't mean you suddenly lose muscle when you turn 30. It means the process can be slowly starting in the background. And here's where it gets interesting. Because losing muscle isn't the only problem. Your muscles can also become less responsive.
When you exercise, especially with resistance training, your muscles receive a signal. We need to adapt. That signal encourages muscle protein synthesis. Essentially, your body begins producing proteins needed to repair and maintain muscle tissue. Food, particularly protein, also provides amino acids that your body uses to build those proteins. But aging can make this process less responsive. Scientists often describe this as anabolic resistance. In simple terms, the same workout or meal may not produce quite the same muscle-building response that it once did. That doesn't mean your muscles stop responding. Far from it. It means maintaining muscle becomes more dependent on giving your body the right signals consistently. And that's why the next part matters. One of the biggest misconceptions about aging is that muscle loss is simply about looking smaller. It's more complicated than that. Muscle strength can decline alongside, and sometimes more noticeably than, muscle size. Your nervous system plays a major role in strength. Your brain sends signals through nerves to activate muscle fibers.
As you age, changes in the nervous system, muscle fibers, physical activity, hormones, nutrition, and other factors can all contribute to declining muscle function. This is one reason someone can have muscles that don't look dramatically different, but still notice that certain physical tasks are becoming harder. Opening a stubborn jar, carrying groceries, getting up from a chair, climbing stairs. These everyday movements can reveal changes that the mirror doesn't. But here's the good news. Age doesn't mean your muscles are doomed. Your muscles are remarkably adaptable. Research consistently shows that resistance training can improve muscle strength and physical function in older adults. And resistance doesn't necessarily mean lifting enormous weights. Your muscles can work against weights, resistance bands, machines, or even your own body weight. The key is giving the muscles a reason to adapt and continuing that stimulus over time. And nutrition matters too. Your muscles need protein because protein provides the amino acids required to build and repair muscle tissue.
But this doesn't mean you need some magical supplement or extreme diet. A balanced diet containing adequate protein, along with regular physical activity, can help support muscle health. And perhaps the biggest enemy isn't age itself, it's inactivity. When muscles aren't regularly challenged, the body has less reason to maintain high levels of muscle tissue and strength. So when you hear muscle loss starts after 30, don't interpret that as you're getting old at 30. That's not the point. The point is that muscle maintenance becomes something worth paying attention to. Because your muscles aren't just about appearance. They help you move. They stabilize your body. They support everyday independence. And maintaining strength can become increasingly important as the years go by. The earlier you build healthy habits, the more you're investing in the muscle you'll want later.
And remember this, your age may change your muscles, but your daily habits can influence what happens next. Your muscles are constantly responding to the life you're giving them. So, what do you think? Does muscle loss after 30 surprise you? Tell me in the comments. And if you learned something new, share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to Body Secret 101 and follow the series, because in the next episode, we're going even deeper into what happens to the human body as you age. Your body has secrets. We're uncovering them one video at a time.